Poco has unleashed two exciting X series mid-rangers, the Poco X6 and the feature-packed Poco X6 Pro. Today from InfiniTech channel, our spotlight is on the Pro model, so without wasting time, let's go to the video. Both phones boast a high-res OLED display and fast charging, but the Pro steps it up with a more powerful MediaTek chipset and Xiaomi's spanking new HyperOS interface right out of the box. Visually, the Poco X6 Pro flaunts a glossy, mirror-like back in a black colorway. Crafted from plastic, it exudes a premium feel, although it has a tendency to attract smudges and dust. The design follows Poco's signature aesthetic, featuring a flat back that gently curves into a matte plastic frame. Both the Poco X6 and X6 Pro are IP54, rated for dust and splash protection, a handy feature for everyday use. The star of the show is undoubtedly the OLED display on the X6 Pro. Boasting a high-res 1220p resolution, the 6.67-inch beauty comes with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, offering a visually immersive experience. With Gorilla Glass 5 protection, thin bezels, and vibrant colors supporting HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, it's a visual feast that's hard to resist. Guys, if you enjoyed this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe. What about audio? The Poco X6 Pro compensates with a stereo speaker setup, delivering excellent loudness and impressive sound quality. Unlocking the phone is a breeze with the optical under-display fingerprint scanner, quick, reliable, and just where you need it. Choose between 256GB or 512GB of storage, unfortunately non-expandable. And let's talk about software. Running on Xiaomi's HyperOS interface on top of Android 14, the X6 Pro brings a fresh look and feel. Customization options are abundant, and the control center has undergone a redesign, embracing a more minimalistic icon approach. Xiaomi's reputation for customization shines through, allowing you to personalize your lock screen and multi-window interface to your heart's content. Now let's talk about power. The heart of the Poco X6 Pro is a MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra, a powerhouse, especially for its price range. Benchmarks reveal its dominance, outclassing competitors like the Samsung Galaxy A54, and even surpassing the vanilla Poco X6. Gaming enthusiasts rejoice this phone delivers a solid gaming experience with ample power to spare. Battery life is reliable with a 5000 mAh capacity, and the 67W charging speed ensures you're never left waiting. Charging from 0 to 83% in just half an hour is impressive, making sure you are always ready for action. Let's shift our focus to the camera setup. The Poco X6 Pro mirrors its non-Pro counterpart with a 64MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide, and the 2MP macro lens. The main camera captures solid shots with good detail and dynamic range. Night mode performs admirably, delivering well-exposed photos with minimal noise. Video capabilities are commendable, with 4K recording and electronic stabilization. While the ultra-wide camera showcases acceptable performance, the macro lens might leave you wanting more in the detailed apartment. For selfie enthusiasts, the 16MP front camera produces decent results, maintaining a likable skin tone presentation, albeit with room for improvement in detail. In summary, the Poco X6 Pro stands tall as a formidable mid-ranger, offering a high-res display, powerful performance, and a reliable camera setup. The MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra and the impressive thermal management make it a gaming powerhouse. If you can overlook the minor differences from its non-Pro sibling, the Poco X6 Pro is a compelling choice in its class. Well guys, it's end of the video and thanks for watching. But if you're looking for another Xiaomi phone, you can watch this video on the screen, but don't forget to subscribe.